In the clip, I'll help you with question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Any one number is there, we don't know that number. That number is completely divisible in 5 also, and that number is divisible in 12 also. You just think in mind what could be that number which can come in table of 5 also, and it can come in table of 12 also. We know 60 is there, 120 is there, right? Both the numbers is divisible in 5 also, 12 also, right? So it is asked here, that number which is divisible in 5 and 12 both, by which other number will that number be divisible? So that particular number which is dividing by 5 also completely and 12 also completely, that same number can be divisible by which other number also? With this 5 and 12, with this 5 and 12, by which other number that number can be divisible? For such type of questions, what we have to do is, now we need to find the factors of 5 first of all. We know that the factors of 5 are only 1 and 5, and we need to find the factors of 12, right? So we know that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. If you see here, these are the factors. Now what is the common factor here? Only 1. After this 1, we don't, other than 1, we don't have any other factor in common. So when we do not have any other common factor other than 1, what do? Is we find the product of the given two numbers. That is 5 12s are 60. So if any number is divisible by 5 and that same number is divisible by 12 also, then that number will completely be divisible by their product also, that is 60. I hope I am clear with this. You can take any example. Just in your mind think one such number which is divisible in 5 and 12. We know that in the table of 5, 120 can be divided, right? And this 120 can be divided in the table of 12 also. I told you that if it is divided in 5, it is divided in 12, then it is divided in their product also, that is 60. Now you can check here, that is this 120 divisible with the 60? Yes, it is completely divisible. Clear na? Any other number also you can think. You say a number which is 60. We know that 60 is divisible in 5. 60 is also divisible in the table of 12. Now this number, for sure it will be divisible in its own table. Right now, similarly, I'll just give you another example. Simply, I'll change the given two numbers. My question is like this: a number is divisible by both 3 and 4. My question is like, number is divisible by both 3 and 4. By which other number will that number be divisible? Now you mark my point in the question. Any number is there. We don't know that number. That number is divisible in 3 also, and that number is divisible in 4 also. Now we have to answer that which other number, that particular number divisible by 3 and 4, will be divisible with other also. So what do? Is the first and foremost step is note down the factors of 3. We know that is only 1 and 3. What are the factors of 4? We know 1, 2 and 4, right? What is the common factor here? Only 1. So when do we have, when we have the common factors, we multiply the given two numbers. 3 4s are 12. Now if any number is divisible in 3, think a number in your mind divisible in 3 and 4 both. Don't think 6, because 6 is coming in the table of 3 but 6 do not come in the table of 4. Consider a number which is there in both of them. So in both of them, what could be? You see 36. We know in the table of 3, 36 is coming. 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 12 times. In the table of 4, 9 times also 36 is coming, right? Now this 36, does it come in the table of 12 also? Yes, it comes. Are you getting this clear? Similarly, if you take a number which is 48. Now you see this 48 is divisible in the table of 3 for sure. We know na that 3 ones are 3, then 3 6 are 18. 16 into 3 we get 46. Okay, now this 48 is divisible in the table of 4 also 12 times. This 48 is divisible in the table of 12 also 4 times. Is it clear to you? So all those numbers such as 48, 36, these are the number which are divisible in 3 also, 4 also and 12 also. Clear this thing? So any number, any number, if it is divisible in any of the two given numbers like 5 and 12, 3 or 4, all those number, that time, that particular number, if the given numbers are co-prime, the number will be divisible by their product. This is all I want to say. The number will be divisible by their product. Please keep this thing in mind. Any other numbers also you can try with. We can take a number that is okay, we'll take a number 9 and 8. Okay, so how come? We'll check. The factors of 9 are 1 and 9 and the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Common is only 1 na? So you think in mind that which other number it could be. So with the product of 9 and 8 we know 72. So if a number is divisible in 8 and 9 both, that number will be divisible in 72 also. Clear? So this is all I want to say with this question. Very important and tricky question. Kindly go through the clip very carefully. If still you didn't understood, you may ask in the comment section downside.